Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. Today I'm going to show you how to open your LG K8. This is the model 2017. So first of all, we need to release all the back screws on the back of the phone, and we're gonna see is the same screws, I think. Yeah, there is a problem with the camera and the light, so we can look at the what's wrong with him, why it have a little bug. I don't know, we just need to find out what the problem it is. Okay, now you have to get a plastic tool like this and gently slide it in the hole with the LCD and the frame here. I suppose that. Yep, indeed. Okay. As you see, you should do this very carefully to don't destroy the LCD. Okay, as you see, we need to have very gently, very gently, like this. Okay, all right, we are in. Oh, everything looks good here. Anyway, in this video, as you see, you can change many of parts here. For example, the frame, of course, the MP3 speaker, the vibration part. This is the main camera, of course. I don't know why it wasn't work. Here you have the SIM card slot, the second SIM card slot with the memory card slot. It's look good. This is the front camera here. That's right, this is the main board of the phone. This is the flex from the LCD. It's look good. Let's try to lift up the main board. And this is the whole main board of the phone. That's right. Okay, here you are the LCD with the digitizer. It's the one element. It's glued on the hot. This is the front speaker and the down jack port to the headset. And that's it. So, I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!